let me show you how to animate text on Capcut PC. So firstly, of course, we need to add our text. So go to text, drag and drop it on our timeline. And let's say that we want to animate these text here. So we need to click on it. And of course, we can add different styles, as you know. But if you want to add animation, we have two options. So firstly, you can use keyframes. So you can find the tutorial about how to use them on my channel. And also we have default animation. So if you click on animation in the top of the screen right up here, we can then find in animation, out, and loop. We have a lot of templates we can use, and also we can select, for example, this animation here, and we can change the duration for how long it will be, for example, animated. Now we have the typewriter text. We can add the fade in. So you can try a lot of different templates. So also we can add the out animation. We can add a loop animation. It depends on your aims, your vision, and your goals. Hope this video helped you out. Goodbye.